With this desk here, it's only used for storing clutter now, and with the width of it, it's hard to get in and out with trolley, so I'm going to do a quick improvement now to free up a bit of space. So I went ahead and completely removed the desk, and I built a wall with a new Kanban board and shelves for all of our tools that are needed, and removed all the ones we don't need anymore.
Just looking at some of the parts that are coming off the brake press here, and you can see there's like actual marks starting to come up on some of them. I'm going to try to see if we can find the cause and find a solution. Let's just here at the brake press. You can actually see the galvanizing is building up on these fold, and it's got sort of baked on. That's what's causing the damage then to the parts. So just with a bit of Scotch-Brite and some vinegar to break down the galvanizing, just clean them up and just give them a light coating and a WD-40 just to protect them from rust as well.
Quick update here with our tolerance. So these are our colouring pages that we had. We had the colours stored in here, but obviously no one could see them. So shout out to Adman who printed our hedgehog here to store all our colours.
At the back of the guillotine here, when I'm cutting, sometimes this plate seems to be jumping and moving around, and it messes up a few cuts and damages some bits and pieces. Okay, so I've done that there now. Hopefully that'll sort it out and it won't happen anymore.
Just here in the canteen setting up for the morning meeting. When plan leave tomorrow becomes plan leave today, we have to rub out all the names on the right hand side and rewrite them on the left hand side. Just back here looking at the plan leave for the morning meeting. So I've just gone ahead, laminated a little bit of card, banged to the back. So when you're finished with the plan leave for tomorrow, it just jumps across, gets put into plan leave for the day.